Guys, it is freezing outside. Good thing HART has 20-volt heated gear. It's gonna keep you warm all season long. First up, we have the HART Heated Jacket in black. It has up to 8 hours of runtime with the included battery, so you can stay warm all day. This jacket is perfect for any outdoor activity, like walking your dog, like I'm doing right now, hiking, yard work, whatever. If you hate the cold, this jacket's for you. It has 3 heat settings, high, medium, and low. It's also wind and water resistant. And you can place the battery in the back or the front pocket, whatever is comfortable for you. Next, we have the HART Hooded Heated Jacket in camo. This jacket is made for hunting. It's made with Realtree Xtra Camo. It has all the same features as the black jacket, front or back battery pockets, and up to 8 hours of runtime with the included battery. 3 heat settings, and wind and water resistance.
So you can blend in and stay warm on your hunting trip.
And finally, there's the HART Heated Blanket. It has up to 6 hours of runtime with the included battery. Like the jackets, it also has 3 heat settings. The outer shell is wind and water resistant, and the inside is lined with fleece for extra warmth. This blanket's great for camping, tailgating, or just a lazy day on the couch. All these products are part of the HART 20-volt cordless system. Hit up Walmart for your HART heated gear. Hope this has been helpful. Stay warm out there, friends.